So here's a question on income tax where they have given us the annual salary. They have mentioned the tax credit, and then they're saying that the income tax on all her income at a standard rate of R percentage. She pays 5,916 income tax for the year. Find R. So R is the standard rate of tax what they're paying. Okay, so whenever you get such a question, if you try to, it is working backwards. Okay, it is not the straightforward tax calculation, but it's working backwards. So whenever you get such a question, it is important that you understand what they are talking about and try to write it in the formula what we have learned. Like if you remember my previous video, I will put the link below. Okay, so if you remember the previous video, we have the standard rate and the higher rate, and you do the calculation and then subtract the tax credit, etc. So we have a format for calculating the tax. So always whenever you get a question, whether it is working forward or backward, you write it in that format, and then with algebra you can solve it. Okay, so let us try to see how it can be applied here. So you have a salary of 43,000. And in this case, there is only one tax rate, so which is the R. So it is like R over 100. So that will give you the tax. Okay, that will give you the tax, and that tax you have to subtract the tax credit out of that, isn't it? So once you find the tax, so what is this is the tax, which is the gross tax. Okay, let me just write gross tax here, and then you subtract tax credit, which is like 3,500. So this is the tax credit. 3,500, you will get the net tax. Okay, net tax is 5,960. So net tax is 5,960. So this is the net tax. Okay, now let me just rub this off so that we can do it. So this is the format which is required. Now once you write this format, it is pretty easy because it is nothing but algebra. So what you have to do, you have to find the unknown variable R. So what you do, you first take this into that side. So it is like 43,000 times R over 100 is equal to 5,960 plus 3,500. Then 43,000, maybe I can just cancel off this zero, or you can directly do it in the calculator, that is also fine. And when you add this together, you will get, give me 1 second, 5,960 plus 3,500. So you will get 9,460. Now R is equal to 9,460 over 430. So over 430, and you will get 22. Okay, so it is very simple. So you write it in the format and then simplify it using algebra. Thank you.